Welcome to Best Choice. The best Homelite carburetor is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your outdoor power equipment, ensuring your Homelite tools run smoothly and efficiently. So whether you're a seasoned homeowner tackling a weekend project or a professional landscaper maintaining a pristine property, having a reliable carburetor is paramount to getting the job done without frustrating interruptions or costly repairs, making it a critical investment for anyone who relies on their Homelite equipment for performance and longevity. Number 5. MOTOALL WT458 Carburetor for Homelite String Trimmers. This is a direct replacement carburetor designed to fit your Homelite string trimmer. It's engineered for a perfect fit and reliable performance. It replaces a wide range of Homelite part numbers, including A03003, A03002, and A04445A. This ensures compatibility with many trimmer models. This part is compatible with numerous Homelite string trimmer models. Check the list to see if yours is included, ensuring a seamless replacement. Crafted with quality materials, this carburetor is built to last. It will help restore your trimmer's engine to optimal working condition. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to get your trimmer back up and running quickly. You'll receive the exact part shown in the picture. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. This replacement will help restore your trimmer's power and efficiency for all your yard work needs. What we like. This carburetor offers extensive compatibility, making it a direct replacement for a vast array of Homelite string trimmer models. If you have an older or less common Homelite trimmer and need a reliable part, this is an excellent choice. It ensures you can get back to work without compatibility headaches. What people say. After an easy install, it started on the third pull. The high-speed screw needed to be screwed in a couple of turns and the low speed needed turned out one turn for proper operation. With this carb, I was able to adjust it so the trimmer starts easily, runs great and idles smoothly. Replaced original carb. Easy assembly. Fit perfectly, gassed it up, primed the fuel, a couple pulls, engine ran like new, no adjustments. Number 4. KIPA Carburetor Kit for Outdoor Power Equipment. Ensure your outdoor power equipment runs smoothly with this high-quality replacement carburetor. It's manufactured to the highest standards using premium materials for lasting performance. This carburetor is designed to be compatible with a wide range of Homelite, Ryobi, Craftsman, and MOTOALL models. Please verify the OE part number and structure for a perfect match. The package includes everything you need for a straightforward installation: a new carburetor, a new filter, fuel lines, primer bulbs, and mounting gaskets. Restore maximum performance and reliability to your 25 cubic centimeters, 26 cubic centimeters, or 30 cubic centimeters brush cutter, blower, or string trimmer. It's a great upgrade for your powerful outdoor machines. This part is a direct replacement for ZAMA C1U H60E, C1U H60D, C1U H62, and C1U H62A carburetors, ensuring a seamless fit and function. Trust in its reliable quality. This carburetor replacement part is built to last, providing you with dependable operation for all your outdoor tasks. What we like. This option comes as a complete kit, including not just the carburetor but also a filter, fuel lines, primer bulbs, and gaskets. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution to refresh your engine's fuel system and want to ensure all components work harmoniously, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who prefer to replace multiple wear-and-tear parts at once. Maximum reliability. What people say. Original carb did not have it. Love the feature where it holds throttle open when you go from full choke to half. It fired up immediately and ran nominally with no adjustments whatsoever. Exact replacement, extra primer bulbs, new fuel line and fuel return tubing, fuel filter, gaskets. Number 3. MOTOALL Carburetor for Homelite Chainsaws. Ensure your Homelite chainsaw runs smoothly with this premium replacement carburetor. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. This part is engineered to directly replace original components, fitting a range of Homelite 35 cubic centimeters, 38 cubic centimeters, and 42 cubic centimeters chainsaws. Get back to work without hassle. It is a perfect substitute for part numbers 3093620001 and 3093620003. This ensures compatibility with many specific chainsaw models. This carburetor is compatible with a wide array of Homelite models, including those starting with UT105. Check the list to confirm it's the right fit for your equipment. The product you receive is exactly as pictured, guaranteeing you get the correct part for your needs. We provide clear visuals for your confidence. Don't let a faulty carburetor slow you down. This replacement will help restore your chainsaw's power and efficiency, making your tasks easier. What we like. Designed specifically for Homelite 35 cubic centimeters, 38 cubic centimeters, and 42 cubic centimeters chainsaws, this carburetor ensures a precise fit and optimal performance for these particular engine sizes. If you own one of these Homelite chainsaws and are experiencing fuel delivery issues, this is the targeted solution you need. It's built for the demanding use of a chainsaw. What people say. It was a perfect fit for my Homelite trimmer. The carburetor was easy to install and my trimmer started right up after installation. Number 2. AUMEL Carburetor Kit for Homelite Pressure Washers. This is a comprehensive carburetor kit designed to meet your pressure washer needs. It includes everything you need for a full replacement and tune-up. This kit is compatible with several Homelite pressure washer models, including those with 179cc and 180cc engines. Ensure it fits your specific model for optimal performance. Upgrade your engine's performance with this reliable carburetor. It ensures efficient fuel delivery for optimal engine functionality, making your pressure washer work like new. The package includes a carburetor, fuel filter, insulator, spark plug, on-off switch, fuel lines, and a gasket kit. You'll have all the necessary components for installation. We stand behind our product with lifetime-friendly customer service. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like. This carburetor is tailored for specific Homelite pressure washer models with 179 cubic centimeters 180 cubic centimeters engines, promising to enhance their performance. If you're experiencing sputtering or lack of power with your Homelite pressure washer, this is the precise upgrade you need. It comes with a comprehensive set of accessories to ensure a complete and effective repair. What people say. Everything from the linkages fittings to the gaskets fit properly and swapping out was very easy. It also came with a replacement fuel line and bottom of tank screen filter, so it made sense to just buy this complete carb. The carburetor definitely works very well and it even has an adjustment screw so I can change the air-fuel ratio. The original one didn't have one, so this is neat. Number 1. Carburetor for Ryobi Homelite Craftsman Trimmers. This is a high-quality replacement carburetor designed to fit various Ryobi, Homelite, and Craftsman trimmers. It's built to restore your engine's performance. It's compatible with a wide range of models, including those with 26 cubic centimeters and 30 cubic centimeters engines. Please verify your engine and part numbers to ensure a perfect fit. This part is a direct replacement for several OEM numbers, including C1U, H60, 3080540013, and 3080540012. It's designed for easy installation. The package includes everything you need for a successful replacement: the carburetor, primer bulb, gasket, fuel filter, spark plug, and more. Get your trimmer or weed eater running like new again with this essential engine component. It's the perfect solution for restoring lost power and efficiency. To guarantee you get the correct part for your specific engine, we highly recommend checking your engine model and existing part numbers before purchase. What we like. This carburetor offers a versatile fit for various 25 cubic centimeters, 26 cubic centimeters, and 30 cubic centimeters trimmers from brands like Ryobi, Homelite, and Craftsman, along with useful included accessories like a primer bulb and fuel filter. If you have a trimmer from these popular brands and are looking for a cost-effective replacement that comes with essential extras for easy installation and improved performance, this is a great option. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want to fine-tune their equipment. What people say. Super easy to change out, and the adjustment tool had the leaf blower running better than before. Works great for me right from the beginning, with no adjustment needed, with the old ones had a hard time starting and the speed oscillating by itself. Unit started first try after installing the new carburetor. Minor adjustments made to fine-tune the idle. Great value. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.